Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Viber account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Viber app on your phone. From the home page of Viber, tap on the More button in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap on Account. In the account settings, tap on Deactivate Account. You now need to enter the phone number of the account that you would like to delete. So choose the country of your number and then enter your phone number. Tap Deactivate Account. Then tap Deactivate on the pop-up. Your Viber account will then be immediately deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Viber tips and tricks.